Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Advik.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Chanakya. Advik, where is Advik? Okay, he has joined now. Okay, so I think children turn on the video now. Okay, so today we will be starting with the muscular system. So we have completed the skeletal system. Now, starting with the muscular system, it is related with the skeletal system, right? So skeletal system has the bones, they have a different type of joints, which will be helping us to do the various activities. Same way, the muscular system in our body. Do we have muscular system?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So what the muscular system will be doing?
Ma'am, they protect our body.
Yes, Advik, what they will be doing, muscular system?
Ma'am, they will support our bones.
Okay, Advik, what the muscular system will be doing? Yes. So they will be doing the different activities basically. They will be helping us to move. Fine. Now, when we are sitting, I am sitting like this, right? So that posture is also maintained by the muscular system. Fine. If we do not if we do not have the muscle in our body, we will not be able to sit straight, right? Then we will not be able to stand straight. So that is why the muscular system is very important for all this kind of the actions. At the same time, the muscles in our body are of the different type: the striated, unstriated, and the cardiac muscles. So before going to the type of the muscular tissues, we will be studying the different functions of the muscular system.
Ma'am, muscles help in movement.
Children, is my screen visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these are the different functions which will be done by the muscular system. The first one, very important, it is the movement. Fine. So we are able to move. How we are able to move? We're able to move because of the muscles. We have the triceps, we have the biceps. So because of them, because of their contraction and relaxation, we are able to do the movement. So first function is the movement. So skeletal muscles work with the skeletal system to produce voluntary movement. So if Advik wanted, then only he will move. If Advik wanted to sleep, he will sleep. Sanjay want to eat, he will eat, right? So all the activities which are done, children kindly mute yourself. So all the activities are done actually according to our will. Those kind of the activities or those kind of movement are called as the voluntary movement. It means with our permission or with our will, we will be doing them. Fine. So if I wanted to move, I will move. If I wanted to sit, I will sit. If I want to dance, I will dance. Right? But some of the activities are there in our body, like breathing. Can I control it? Can I control breathing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ah,
ma'am.
I can control breathing. Children, I cannot control my breathing. I can maybe control it for a few seconds, but I cannot go for the long, right? So they are such kind of action are called as
Involuntary muscles.
involuntary muscles. Okay. Now, second function, the posture and the stability. So muscles help maintain posture and stabilize joints. So with the help of the muscles, we will be able to have the posture. Posture means the way how we sit, the way how we stand. All those things are the posture. The third thing, heat production. So because of the muscle contraction, so as I told you, we have what? The biceps and triceps. So these bicep and tricep continuously, they will be contracting and relaxing, because of which what happened? The heat will be produced. And this heat is important for maintaining the body temperature. So because of this only, the body temperature will be maintained. The fourth one, circulation. So, pumping of the blood, right? The blood is going from one part of the body to the other part of the body. That will be done by the circulation, the muscular system. So, cardiac muscles pump blood, and smooth muscles in blood vessels regulate the flow of the blood and the pressure. So, two things are there, two types of the muscles are there, cardiac muscles and the smooth muscles. What do? They will be controlling, or they will be regulating the blood flow in our body. Then fifth function of the muscular system, digestion. So you all are eating, right? I am also eating. So that is controlled by whom? That is controlled by the muscular system. So we have the smooth muscles in the digestive tract, because of which the food will be able to move in the digestive system. Sixth function, respiration. So for breathing also, the muscular system is important. So we have the ribs, right? We have the ribs. So we have the diaphragm. So these all will be playing an important role for it. Then seventh, urination. So when like we all urinate, right? We all will be releasing the urine. That is also because of the smooth muscles. So when the urinary bladder is completed, so what happened? We will be releasing it outside. So that is also because of the smooth muscle control the release of the urine from the bladder. Then last one, childbirth. You might have seen, right? The females will be giving birth to the child, so that they are able to do because of the uterus has a muscles, because of them they are able to do it. So smooth muscles in the uterus contract during the labor. So during the time of the pregnancy, during the time of the childbirth, what happens? The smooth muscles which are present in the uterus, they will start contracting. So because of this, this child will be delivered. Fine. So these are the various functions where the muscular system plays a very, very important role. So the first one, movement, then second one, posture and stability, third one, heat production, the fourth one, circulation, the fifth, digestion, sixth, respiration, seventh, urination, and the last one is the childbirth. Am I clear, Advait, Advik, and Chiranjay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Fine. So note this point down. And within 5 minutes, you should note it down. Not more than 5 minutes.
Ma'am, all the points.
Yeah, all the points. Fine, all the 7 points. I'll just change this sheet because you will not be able to see anything because of writing. Mhm. Now I'm not able to find it. Yeah. So start writing from this. Actually, this is it. So all the 8 points, write it and write the heading and then write it. Which point number, Chiranjay?
Ma'am, fourth one, circulation.
Okay, Advay?
Ma'am, third, heat production.
Advik?
Ma'am, fourth.
Okay, write it fast.
Ma'am, please.
Done?
No, ma'am.
I'm on the seventh point.
Okay, okay.
That, ma'am.
Okay. So let me start with the new then.
Ma'am, I'm
Last.
on
Okay,
the, ma'am, I'm
okay.
on the third last.
Okay.
Then, ma'am.
Done? All of you have done?
Yes.
No, ma'am.
Which point is remaining?
Ma'am, second last.
Okay, do it fast. Done?
No, ma'am.
Hurry up. Okay, now let's go to the next one. So these all things we have completed.
Yes.
Just now we have discussed about the stability, posture, circulation, digestion, urination, okay, childbirth. So few more are there. Now we'll go to the next one, different types of the muscles, right? Three different types are there: skeletal muscle, smooth muscle, and cardiac muscle, okay? Three different types are there: skeletal muscle, which is also called as striated and voluntary muscles. Then smooth muscles, which are called as involuntary, and they are also called as unstriated muscles. Fine. Then cardiac, they are basically present in the heart. That is why they are basically the heart muscles. Fine. Striated means presence of light and dark bands. So, like for example, these are the muscles, okay? Inside the muscle, this kind of lines will be present, which we call them as a band, okay? So they have the light and the dark. So first will be light, then dark, then light, then dark, then light, then dark. So like this kinds of bands are present. So such kind of the bands where the light and dark bands are present, they are called as striated. And unstriated means they do not have these light and dark bands. Fine. So you can see in the cardiac, in the skeletal muscle, you can see the light and the dark bands are there. Can you see these muscles in the smooth? Can you see the dark and the light band in the smooth muscle?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
No, in the smooth muscle, see in the picture of the smooth muscles, you cannot find the light and the dark. Here you have dark, then light, then dark light, right? Dark light means light pink color, then dark pink color. Light pink color, dark pink color, right? These lines you can see. But here in this one, the smooth muscles, they do not have this light and the dark bands. So that is why they are called as the unstriated. Now these are the differences between them. The smooth muscles are called as involuntary muscles. They are controlled unconsciously. Then in the where they are present in the walls of the blood vessels and in the internal organs. Then cardiac muscles, they So cardiac muscles, it controls itself with the help of nervous and the endocrine system. Then cardiac muscles, they are present only in the heart. Then skeletal muscles, they are voluntary because we can control them. They are controlled consciously. And they're almost 600 we have throughout the body. So 600 skeletal muscles we have in our body. So these are the different structures of the different types of muscles. The smooth muscles you can see in this picture, then cardiac muscles, then the skeletal muscle. In the smooth muscles, they have the spindle. Spindle means both the end of the muscles are pointed. So here also pointed, here also pointed. Then non-sided. Non-sided means they do not have the light and dark bands. And they occur in the wall of the internal organ and they are the involuntary muscles. Whereas cardiac muscles, they are striated, they are branched, they are uninucleate, and they are present in the walls of the heart and they're involuntary. Then skeletal muscles, they are striated because they have the light and the dark bands. They are multinucleate, means more than one nucleus is present, and they are usually attached to the skeleton. And they are the voluntary, it means we can control. Fine, so notice down, children, now types of muscles. So notice down skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. These 3 points, and then this three. Notice down.
Done, ma'am.
Both the things are done?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, what do you mean by both things?
Both means upper one, the skeletal smooth and cardiac, and the down one, the
Oh,
types of muscle.
okay,
These two things.
okay. Ma'am, done.
Okay. Advay done?
Done, ma'am.
Okay. Go for the next page. This one, the difference between the smooth cardiac and the skeletal muscles. And children, draw the diagram also. Don't draw this diagram which is given here. I'll tell you the simple one. For the smooth muscle, just draw the diagram like this. In the center, the nucleus. Then for the cardiac muscle, draw like this. Okay. Then for the skeletal muscles, draw like this.
Ma'am, can I go it up to the class?
Why? What happened? What happened?
Ma'am, my diagram making is not good.
Okay, okay, Advait, Advait. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to notice.
Yes, yes, these differences you need to note it.
Okay, ma'am.
Should we draw the diagrams?
Yes, you should.
Ma'am.
Yes. And after the class, immediately after the class, just send me the notes also, which we have done today. And with this, we are completed with the chapter muscular system. And tomorrow we will be doing the question answers of this chapter. And then we will be starting the new chapter. Shall I start with the chapter nervous system? Any other chapter do you want me to start with?
Nervous system.
Okay, then I'll start with.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I'll start with nervous system only.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, and your homework will be that you need to frame 5 questions and answers from this chapter. Okay, understood? 5 any questions you have to frame it on your own with the answer, and by tonight you have to send it. Okay.
Can you repeat again?
You have to frame or you have to make 5 questions and answers from this chapter, and you need to send it to me by yourself. You have to make the question and
Okay, ma'am.
and the answer also.
Okay, ma'am.
Done with this?
No, ma'am. On
Yes, ma'am.
skeletal.
Okay, do it.
Ma'am?
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, in your place, is it raining a lot?
No,
For
no, no,
for 2 days?
no.
Ma'am, for 3 days, it is raining over my place.
Okay, that's what the school are off, I think, at your place, right?
Yes, ma'am. Today was online class.
Correct, correct.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, all of you have done it now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, children, then we'll meet you tomorrow, and make sure that today itself, Advik and Chiranjay, you should send me the homework, okay? Only
Okay.
5 questions you need to make and with the answer, okay?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, children, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.